Today, I'm taking a deep dive into Audio Converter.com, a well-known online platform dedicated to making audio file conversion simple and hassle-free. When you first visit the website, the interface looks clean and straightforward, with a prominent option to start converting your files right away. You can upload files directly from your device, or even provide a URL to convert files hosted online. This flexibility is definitely a plus. The platform supports a variety of audio formats, including MP3, WAV, FLAC, OGG, and more. It's especially useful if you need to convert files quickly without downloading software. The upload and conversion process is generally fast, although the speed can vary depending on the file size and your internet connection. However, it's worth noting that the free version of the site has some limitations. For instance, batch processing isn't supported unless you opt for the paid version. Also, while the quality of converted files is generally good, the lack of advanced customization options might be disappointing for more experienced users looking for precision control over the output. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. What really makes Audio Converter.com appealing is its simplicity. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the interface makes it easy to upload, convert, and download files within minutes. But if you're someone who requires batch processing or higher quality conversions, the free version might feel limited. Additionally, the site includes ads which can be slightly intrusive during the conversion process. There's also no clear indication of how your uploaded files are handled in terms of privacy and security, which could be a concern if you're converting sensitive audio files. Overall, Audio Converter.com is a solid tool if you need quick, uncomplicated audio conversions. But for advanced features, you'll likely need to upgrade or look elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.